video ended. I bought this. There's supposed to be 5 emojis in here because I cleaned them. But like literally, my video ended. I don't know what happened. This one ended. It ended 2 times on this video. But I bought these emojis, but one went missing. But there's like this little ball thing I accidentally broke. And there's balls in it. But these are emojis in it. And it can turn into a squishy or turn it into emojis. Can you leave my desk? That's my brother's desk. Dude, go back to your channel before Gorsilla gets it. Gotta go back to your channel. Juju, you didn't buy them. Go put them back and you have to buy them. Juju, you have to buy them. Go buy them. Here. But I want something. Okay, I forgot my wallet. Let me get my wallet. Got them. Anyway, I gotta put my wallet right there. My mom is listening to the chat. Person is talking so adorable. I don't care about Dora right now. I'm gonna buy this banana and this squishy. Oh, I want to buy. Did that video just end? Mine? Yeah, I did. Oh my god, that ghost is. I think that ghost is. And in his video.
Yeah, it goes.
Because me and my brother were over there. My little sister is on my, I don't know why. I have a fidget on my desk and she wants it. So she was on my desk. She can't ended it. So I didn't find these emojis. Oh, I want one.
No, this
I'll
one.
find the baby. Oh, actually, I know where my baby is. So I'm gonna go in my room. Yeah, it might be a little mess because I was making Among Us characters, and that'll be in my next video. And there's gonna be another video. Yes, I got it. Okay, I got them. I hope the baby's on home. Okay. You didn't pay for any. You know, I'm gonna pay for one for her because literally she's acting up. I don't know why. I have no idea why she's acting up.
Oh, I forgot to bring my wallet.
So I gotta see. No, I'm gonna pay for this one for her and this one. So that costs a lot of money, but at least I have a lot of money. I'm married. Whatever. She took one of your emojis.
Don't take one of my emojis.
I gotta put my money in. Don't take one of my emojis. Oh my god, this costs a lot of money. Because I think it's gonna be full soon.
No.
Okay, that's all my money. Here, Princess. Here, Princess. Okay, I got her fidgets. But I'm gonna take my fidgets home. Look at my desk. I have no idea why I bought my desk. I'm in my brother's room. But yeah. And why is there a fidget by me? So I got this. Ooh. So that was from my old video. So I got a squishy banana that can scratch, but I'm holding the camera, so hold on. Oh my god, Ma! I'm filming, me and Juno are filming a YouTube channel!
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god, she does not know. I'm shutting my door. I'm at my brother's door. Not my door. What the heck? Jeez. Okay, but I'm going to get a camera holder. I'm gonna find something. I have it holding. Damn it! If you comment why don't really show my face, because I like my camera the other way, so I'm a other way camera girl. But next video, I promise I'm gonna have it flipped over. I'm gonna take them my mother's things. And it's not fidgets. It's a spoiler thing. But I want my camera to show. So here it is. It's really stretchy. The other one broke. But you can turn it into things. Twist it, turn it, squish it. That's really fun. But when I was filming my videos, I had this. Oh, of course, the mochi can come out. But I don't want them out. I want them in their little container. But so I got this little mochi. Yeah, there's probably here for some reason. But I got this little. I literally paid you some mochis, and you're gonna come over here? What the? I'm about it. Don't put it in your mouth. Anyways, this one's being cray. I have this little mochi, and then it came with this little mochi on top of its head, but something ripped it off, and now it's a little baby. Juju, your video ended. And now it's a little baby, cause it came off its mother's head. For some reason. Hold on, I don't think.
Hey, Gia, give me that for me. Give me that.
You gotta flip it over.
Gotta flip it over.
Wait, sorry guys. I had to fix my brother's camera. He has a laptop. It's not a real YouTube channel, but he thinks it's
I have too money.
Okay. But I got this little squishy. It's not broken. It has like little pines and there's little bows inside. I like it. Anyways. What is the baby? Oh. I got this little ducky. I have a white one somewhere, but I think my brother got it. I have a little chicky. I have a little octopus, I think. Jellyfish. Please, I can't. Put my money up there.
Gia, that was mine.
I know, Juju. Go show them your fidgets. And also this one. But that's all my fidgets.
Okay, guys.
But I think I'm going to pay for them. Wait, not pay for them. I already paid for them. Play with them. So I'll be back in about 2 hours. Bye. 2 hours later. I'm just kidding, guys. Why would I play with these toys?
Guys, look at my fidgets. They're here.
So I'm gonna put my little baby one inside. I think Mommy has twins. Look at it, she has twins. I'm just kidding. Let's open it up. She has one little baby with that big tummy. Oh my god! Of course. She got into the fidget box, the fidget crib. She dumped it. So now she got all the fidgets. I'm gonna go buy one. I just had to put away. Oh my! Juju, go show them your fidgets.
I did.
Judo, you gotta say, this is a little doggy, this is a little thing, this is a little chickie, or whatever it is, okay?
This is a dinosaur. This is a dinosaur.
So, Juju, you gotta say, I got a dinosaur. It's really cute or something.
I got a dinosaur. That's really cute. But I don't have those two dinosaurs.
But my little brother has 2 dinosaurs because he wanted them, and I only have a lot of emojis, so I'm trying to stuff them all in, but it's not looking good.
But
it looks like it's about to explode.
Oh
my God! Look at it.
But they don't have the other ones.
It's about to explode.
I don't have the other ones because I lost them.
My brother is repeating himself.
I lost.
Why are you looking at me? You have 2 dinosaurs.
No.
Okay, Judo, show them your other fidgets.
I got it. Dog.
But look at
I got it.
look at it's about to explode.
I got it with a snake.
Where's the baby? Oh my God! I gotta find the baby. I can't lose the baby.
Got it.
Oh, it's in there.
Boing.
And someone came out.
I got it.
Excuse me, get back in there. Honey,
I have
this is more than triplets.
a cow. Go.
Hi guys, I'm gonna see if I can get a bin for all my fidgets.
Bye guys. Then gonna show me my fidgets.
Don't end your video.
What?
Show them more. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go buy more fidgets because I'm bored.
Okay, guys, I'm bored.
I'm gonna buy this. Where's I got the elephant? I keep the elephant. Peace snapper. Oh, there's not in there. That's not in there at all.
Guys?
Tap up the phone.
Guys?
So I don't want to get the tap. I want to get a little bunny.
This is how we do it.
Right now I have like puppets.
My video is ended.
Okay, you can put it back on. It's not real. Yeah.
You can't see you.
Let me see. Oh, because it's flipped. Gonna turn it around.
Look, I turned it around. I can see you.
Anyways, so I got my fidget. I didn't even pay one. Why am I so stupid? It's like I just stole them. I'm gonna buy this too. Oh, guys.
Okay, guys.
Oh my God, it's just floating.
Jesus Christ. Let's see if we get a watch.
Okay, guys. I got my money in. You can see.
Oh, holy shit.
My stuff. Money. Okay, put my money up there. I'm gonna show you my fidgets. Literally, I like to. For some reason, I drew this on my hand. I have no idea why. So if you're wondering if that was an hour or not, it wasn't. It was a marker. This will work. But I got a monkey noodle. It's very stretchable and squishable and tangleable. So I can do a tie right there.
All my videos ended.
Again?
Yeah.
What happened to this thing? But like, there's a knot in this.
What? Guys.
Ow. Hurts.
Oh, I can see you now. I can see you.
Yeah. Why even? Anyways, I'm gonna show you my elephant.
I want this.
Here's the elephant.
Here's the crab.
Are you waiting for me to talk? Oh, you have... What are you doing? You don't have this because you already. Anyways, if you see her eye messed up a little bit, she has a little bit of pink eye because of the daycare. She went to daycare. First time she got pink eye. But it's like a little keychain up here. There's 2 keychains. I don't know why, but I think that one is just an extra because for why do you keep ending your video? Just put it on.
I can't see it.
Hold up, guys.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, don't end your video.
Okay, well. So I got a crab.
Anyways, it's a really good poppet, but I think one is just for extra if one breaks. But it's a really good poppet, and my favorite about it is where the eye. It's just like it's so cute. And then I got when I was like 7 years old.
So
I got these for my Christmas. There's I have 2 big ones and like 4 baby ones, which is there's 2 baby cats and 2 baby dogs, and then there's one that is a dog, and there's the parents are 1 dog and 1 cat. Can you leave my phone alone? Okay. Grumpy. Go over to your brother. Juju, call her name.
Her name is Gorselli.
Yeah. Say Gorselli. Make noise and say Gorselli.
Gorselli.
Not me. Him. Say Gorselli.
Gorselli.
Go over there.
Hello.
That's her fidget, okay? So give it to her.
I just bite you.
Anyways, that's over. I'm gonna tie into
Good
it.
job.
Ready.
My sister
I
was
really
a
forgot how
good
to do this,
girl.
but I'm gonna stick to it.
Because Gorselli is a good girl. Because Joy-Han is a good girl. Bye.
I am not
Gorselli.
running it no more, so I basically almost forgot about this. Alright, so here's a cat. I did it. She's crystal clear. But we got another one. So 2 are the same thing. It's the same thing.